Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. Please consider on subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you over here. You guys, I decided to step outside and I noticed how my pillow covering was a little dirty. So I decided to go ahead and remove them from the pillows so that I can give them a good wash. We have been having some bipolar weather lately. And as I remove the pillows, I am going to blow some leaves off of the wicker set. Now this is a 4-piece wicker set that I have gotten off of Amazon. Okay, and in the process of in my backyard I will be getting a patio build, and I already have my metal gazebo. So once I get my patio build, then we will put up the gazebo. So that's in the making. But yes, I got my blower here and I am blowing off the leaves. Some was stuck in there, so I had to get my blower. After I got through blowing the leaves, I did mow my yard. I did that off camera, but I did mow my yard. Here I am placing the pillowcases into my washer. I will be adding Tide, Clorox bleach, ammonia, and I am using this liquid spray for mold and mildew. am sorry that everything is so bright to where you can't see the products that I am using. I am so sorry about that. The pillowcases are now finished washing, and it did have a few spots on it, and I am going to leave it out to dry. I will not put it in my dryer. I will let it air dry.
Just reassure me. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart.
I may order more pillow covering. So in the meantime, let me go ahead and dress up my console table and clean my mirror. You guys know I like spray weight glass cleaner, so this is what I'm using on my mirror. Now I have had this set. I know I mentioned in the other videos previously that I've had this set for years. I remember what store I brought it from, but I can't remember the name. It's just been that long ago. So yes, I'm going to get ready and dress this console table up.
You got to save yourself. Save yourself. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more.
I'm wiping down my Eclipse vase, and I did get that from the Z Gallery. Disguised as strength, body sabotage my love, sabotage my love, the root of my own pain. No one's coming, save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. Using Behold furniture spray, and that's what I was doing. I was wiping down my console table, and I am so sorry that I had the camera out of view.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
Now I'm going to get ready and dress this table up.
What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel caught in the midnight.
These are 2 canisters that I've gotten from the Z Gallery. One is small and the other one is large.
I was hoping.
I did get some flowers from Ross, and they were $7.99. I thought they were very beautiful and that it will brighten up the space. I had to cut them down in order for them to fit into the vase.
Different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know?
I saw these boxes from Ross. I had to grab them. The smaller one was $12.99 and the large box was $14.99. And I just love the gold hardware on these boxes. So the box color is pretty much like of a light beige type color. I had to grab them, y'all. They are very beautiful in person.
To me, every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
Below my console table, I will be adding my greenery basket and my ginger jars. I got the ginger jars off of Amazon, and I am not sure where I got the greenery basket from. You guys will have to come back and watch me decorate. I'm not quite done, but come back and watch me decorate my living room. I was hoping that I didn't drop any of my glass because I can be clumsy at times.
You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone.
Okay, everyone, this is the final look of my hallway console table and mirror. I hope you enjoyed it, and I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you guys over here. And be sure to hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Thumbs up, comment, and come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Be sure to check out my other social medias and follow me there. Thank you so much for watching, and I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.